Within seconds, the sky of Rome turns black. A huge dark cloud passes over the city. But what kind of spookiness is that on our PicBuster? They are starlings, countless starlings which create a fascinating air show. An absolute miracle of our nature. And this natural wonder can be observed every year between October and February in Italy's capital. During this period, Rome accommodates around 4 million new guests. Rome is the winter quarter of starlings. The place is perfect for these creatures. During the day, the birds eat at the olive groves. Toward the evening hours, they fall back over the warmer part of the city and look for a suitable place to sleep. During the search, they form themselves into huge swarms. But these strange formations have a reason. The peregrine falcon searches for food and chases the starlings. But due to the hectic movements, the falcon gets irritated and put off his task. He cannot concentrate on a single bird. The phenomenon is somewhat sweet for tourists, because after all, they will soon leave to travel back home. The Romans themselves, though, find the world-famous nature play a tad less fragrant. When the birds have finally found a sleeping place, they produce about 3 tons of bodily waste each night. No one is safe from the unpleasant excrement, and who wants to expose his or her car to a centimeter thick fecal layer? The residents need to be ingenious. The so-called PicBusters want to free the Romans from this bird plague. With megaphones which send the warning call of the starlings, they manage to scare their visitors. Then the flight artists form their beautiful air show once again in search of a new sleeping place. And if the Romans are lucky, it's one outside of their city.